Getting a shuttle car up to the waterfall.
Should be good. Don't know what to expect apart from some waterfall.
Oh yeah. Maybe some bears.
Yeah.
Yes.
See bears.
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 We have made it. We've just walked through a little market, but we'll show that on the way out. We're just walking through a walking trail, which hopefully...
See some bears.
Hopefully... Oh!
Hello, puppy.
You're so
Not
cute.
puppy.
It's a mum.
It's a man.
Look, you can see the bears. This is hopefully the bears that you can see.
Oh, one from UK. Come on, England.
Cute. So these bears are all rescued bears. So it's all ethical. But let's see. There's one up there. There's one just chilling. That is insane.
It looks unreal.
Is he breathing? He's just absolutely chilling. There's one behind. One on top of there. Can you see? Yeah. He's going behind the tree. Hello. Oh, just so cute.
This is worth the entrance fee alone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, that one, dude.
We have just gone and seen the bears, and now we're walking up to the waterfall. Look at this! Oh, don't let me get there first. So there's that little bit there, and then it's huge. You can go swimming in this one too. It's so clear. Oh, it's so pretty. We're just working our way up. We're just working our way up to the top of the waterfall, and then we'll go for a swim. So this is the top, but there's a madman climbing it. We're going to walk up and see if there's any more little pools that aren't as crowded. We shall see. On the way up, there is all these little tiny waterfalls. How cool is that? Just reminds me of a cake, like an exploding cake when the goo goes over the top. Oh, that would be lovely right now. Oh, ow.
It's been handed over to me. This is where we currently are. And Shania is preparing to take a Polaroid. We've got Matt and Claudia up there as well, who have come with us. Met them on the slow boat. Okay. Yeah, Shania's just taking a Polaroid. Let's see how it turns out. Hopefully good. Polaroid complete. We don't know the results yet. Got to let it compose itself and whatever. But hopefully it turns out good. Can have a stroll up the rest of the waterfalls. See if there is any other nice places to go for a little swim, and if not, then we'll go back down to the bottom and swim in there. But this is us for the day, pretty much. Lovely. Disgusting. Get a room. Oh, this bit looks a bit better. Sunshine opens up a bit. Yeah, that's a massive one there, isn't it? Exciting. And we're at the main waterfall now, and this is insane. Look at that. That's massive. We really want to swim in this bit, but they said we're not allowed. There's signs everywhere saying, please do not swim in this area. Well, why? It's water. It's the nicest part. But it is what it is. We might just have to go down to the bottom where it's a bit more cramped and stuff, but There is day tour, so hopefully they go after about 2 o'clock. They should all leave and we should be all good. Fingers crossed, people. But wow, look at this. It looks fake. Hey, this is insane, isn't it? So cool. I really wish we could swim in this. This would be the perfect part as well. But unfortunately not. So we'll take some videos and see what to do from there. Ciao. Ciao bella. These waterfalls are breathtaking. You should look at this. There's about 3 or 4 layers to it as well, further up. So we're going to walk up the steps and see how far up we can get. Hopefully we can swim, but I don't think we can, but it's worth trying. We're having a walk up and over the waterfall and hopefully we get to see the view from the top. This is our current terrain that we're walking up some hike when it looks like there's a pathway all the way down, which we missed, but the current settings for where we're going, top of the waterfall, just to have a chill and relax. But there's more waterfall layers up as we go as well, so hopefully get some closer detail on them. Yeah, just had confirmation it goes up and around, which is all good. So we'll just see what other interesting waterfalls we see on route. Some form of animal definitely lives in that little buried out hole. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. That's insane. We really hope this does go all the way. We've had 2 lots of confirmation saying it does. If not, I'll be fuming. But we're getting there slowly but surely. So we're at the top, and as you can probably see, I'm sweating. It's warm. There's a little stream that obviously feeds a waterfall, but it's flat, so we're walking over to the other side where I think there's a little cafe and yeah, just a bit that we can chill, and then stairs to walk back down. So we'll be doing that and then jumping straight in the waterfall because it's fucking roasting, absolutely boiling. But yeah, this is a nice little trail, to be fair. There's a few pools up here, hopefully we can swim in these maybe. If so, that'd be good. We're above the waterfall here, but it's still such a spectacular place. We love Laos. We're at the top of the waterfall. This is the view. How stunning. Walking across this rockety bridge. River there. But wow. Absolutely stunning, eh darling? Sweating so much, but little fishes. But yeah, we're gonna probably sit, have a drink, and then head back down to go for a swim. We're at the top, and there is actually a little pool here where we can swim in. We've got a rope swing, 2 little pools, bit of sunshine, so I think we're just gonna have a swim here for a bit, have a relax, have a chill, and then head back down in a bit to go to the other parts. We have finished the swim, the first part anyway. Just having a walk back down to the bottom of the waterfalls. A lot easier walking down the steps than it was hiking up the other side, but it was very nice and refreshing. Started getting a little bit touristy, so we decided to leave to go down to the other one. But we think a lot of the day trips will be ending soon, so hopefully it means down the bottom should be a bit clearer. But yeah, lovely views as we're walking down the forest, the jungle. It's honestly incredible though. Massive spider, where? Oh my god. Sick. But yeah, just having a stroll down to the bottom pools now. Maybe grab a little snack a little bit of food and just have a chill in the sun for an hour or two, and then when we do that, head home or back towards Luang Prabang, go and see some, stop in some other little fields and little restaurant thing that we've seen on the way, which is very cute. We'll go from there. We have made it back down to the bottom, and it's even busier than it was earlier.
So busy.
How many people are here? But these just look like a lot of day trip tourists, don't they? But we're here. Need to get some food because I'm hungry. And then go swim in the bottom bit in the sun. We just went to stop for lunch, but it was expensive. We say expensive, it's not actually expensive, but compared to what we know we can get for the prices, it was expensive. So decided to just continue walking on and seeing what else we can find. Got some cool trees.
Yeah.
A bit like the trees of Sri Lanka. Got so many trees wrapped in itself. Brilliant. But yeah, gonna see what else there is for food. Because once you leave the waterfall park, you can't actually come back in. And there's a lot of restaurants outside, so it's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. Swimming down the bottom might be a no-go. We literally just got down here and it looks even busier than it was earlier. All of the people here. But you're looking at this and don't even realise how nice the other waterfall is a bit further up, but we'll see what we want to do as a group and decide whether we're going swimming or not. We have decided on a restaurant, Dork Kiao restaurant. So it's not too expensive here either. So we'll have a taste. Hopefully the food's good. And then we're going to go to a little cafe restaurant area in rice fields for a couple of drinks. Food has arrived for Shania and a Nutella shake as well.
It's good.
How is it?
It's good. You want to try?
Yeah, why not? Give it a bash. Oh, that is good. Good choice. Yeah, show you my food when it comes.
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
My food has just come. Chicken stir-fry noodles. Let's taste it and see how it is.
You've got your voice back.
Got my talking voice.
Yeah. Let's taste it and see how it is. Good.
That's good.
You like chow mein?
Yeah, pretty much. Apart from the rancid tomatoes. Do you want it?
No.
Anyone? The tomato?
Come on. We have just got to the bowling alley and it's closed. Well, it's not closed, but
No one's here.
no one's here. There's not much food, so we're gonna go get food and then see what's going.
Let's have a look at what food places are there.
There is actually archery here as well, but who knows whether it's open or not. Pretty cool. We've had an absolute nightmare.
Big nightmare.
A big nightmare. We've tried, how many did we try? Three.
3 restaurants, yeah.
3 restaurants. And then we've ended up in this one that looks nice, but it has the exact same menu, which is not in English. So
Do you want to show them the menu and what we're having to struggle with?
we have ordered.
Literally pictures and then Google Translate has helped us so much.
Our water.
Treating us like celebrities.
But yeah, it's been a nightmare. So he's brought over some sunflower seeds, but you eat that little bit.
tastes like peanuts.
Nice. Yeah, bought it saver. Is it like nuts in Italy? And they're like salted.
Yeah.
It's a Lao version. Get some pumpkin. Our food has come. I got some chicken noodles.
I went
Justin's
very
got-
authentic Lao food, chicken
Yep.
wings and chips.
And then Matt has got rice and tomatoes.
Tomato and scrambled egg.
Tomato, egg, and rice.
Yeah. We are on our way to the...
Bowling.
We're at the bowling centre with our friends. Oh, that was close. The score's on the board. Yeah. I'm number 1 and Justin's number... No, I'm actually number 4 and Justin is number 5. Oh wait, it's zoomed in. It was zoomed in!
I started off well with 2 strikes and it went a bit downhill from there, but I'm going to bring it back to beat Matt.
He's got his bowling shoes
How
on.
do you beat that?
Bit of commentary for you, a bit of live gameplay action. Shania's up next after Amelia. These are the current scores on the doors. So Matt's player 1. Matt, player 1. Johanna, player 2. Amelia, player 3. Shania, player 4. And me, player 5. Shania's up, let's see how she does. Come on Shania, you can do it. A bit too heavy for her. There it is, there it is. Needs a specific green ball. Let's see how she does. Not bad, not bad. 6 pins down. Not bad. Hopefully the second shot can be a little bit better. Let's see. Go on, go on. Ah, it cold and then it stopped curling. But it's my turn now, so I'm off.
Here we go, show off. Yep. Oh, you are kidding me. Absolutely joking.
Didn't even look. Amelia's up. Over the top, right in the middle. Oh, 9 out of 10. Can she complete it and get the spare? We have faith. Faith was very quickly lost. So I picked it back up. I hit the strike that you've just seen, got a spare. Matt's my competition and Johannes. But Matt keeps on slipping over. So hopefully he'll give us a little slip as he goes up now. Please slip, please slip, please slip. Oh, he ruined it. He ruined it. Yeah, hide your face.
It's best 2 or 3. It's best 2 or 3. It's a practice round.
Practice round, he says, yeah. You're on a great score though. He's on a great score. Johannes, another split. Can he make it? No? Amelia's got no faith. Ah. 1 or 2. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I have to get better at this. I don't know what to say.
I literally stopped recording. Amelia just got a strike. I didn't get that on camera. But the The proof is in the pudding. Come on, Shania. Let's see what she can do. We have faith. Gotta wait for the light ball to come out. Where is it? Good old greenie. It's not here yet. She got a really, really heavy ball. Go on, go on, go on. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. The green one should come through. Broken nail, swearing at the camera. Good thing I'm zoomed in so YouTube can't demonetize it, eh? Come on, Shania, get the spare. Go on. Oh! 9 out of 10, not bad. Time for a strike. Spare.
Okay, come through then. Oh, you've only got one. Wrong direction. Dance like this.
Can't be perfect every time.
Shakira.
So it's a very dramatic ending to the last game. Shania ended up getting a spare and a strike. I won 140 points, and Shania started it off with a big fat 0. Hopefully, she can pick it up. We're coming through now. Yeah, a very dramatic ending to the last game. We've had to do best out of 3 because me and Matt, we're 1 apiece, and watch us both lose and Johannes win. And then it's just a tie. I don't know about that.
No, this is the last.
Yeah, definitely the last one. Go on, Shania. What can she do? Spare. Nah, not spare. 6 down. Not bad. Not bad. She's done well.
So I went from about 10 points in the first game to actually getting 2 strikes in a bloody row.
This game is terrible.
It's great for me. Let's see what Matt does. Woo! Rubbish. We have just left the bowling alley. It was really good fun.
Really, really fun.
So if you're in Luang Prabang, make sure to get Luang Prabang. But
Yeah, I won the second game, Matt won the first and third game, and Shania actually beat me on the third game.
didn't win, but I
She
beat
me,
him.
so pretty much a win.
Yeah, I take it.
But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you for the next one.
See you.
Bye, my folks.
Bye.